English Spanish travel essentials, is there.
Hay.
And more. Welcome. Hey friend, ready to level up your Spanish the fun way? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice. Today you'll master smart travel questions like is there, may I, and I would like, plus their Spanish twins.
Hay. Puedo. Me gustaría.
Your goal today. In a few minutes, you'll ask for directions, prices, and help with confidence. You'll use
¿Dónde está?
when you need directions. You'll get prices with.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
You'll order politely with.
Me gustaría.
You'll check availability using.
Hay.
You'll ask for permission with.
Puedo.
You'll request help with informal.
Puedes.
And formal.
Puede.
You'll identify things by asking.
¿Qué es?
And you'll express needs using the key verb.
Necesitar.
Mini drills. Say it after me. Repeat out loud, yes, your houseplant is impressed. Is there Wi-Fi?
¿Hay wifi?
Where is the station?
¿Dónde está la estación?
How much does the coffee cost?
¿Cuánto cuesta el café?
I would like a table for two, please.
Me gustaría una mesa para dos, por favor.
May I sit here?
¿Puedo sentarme aquí?
Can you, friend, help me?
Puedes ayudarme.
Can you, formal, open the window, please?
Puede abrir la ventana, por favor.
What is this?
¿Qué es esto?
I need help.
Necesitar, ayuda.
Market dialogue, laugh and learn. Picture yourself at a sunny market, let's talk like a pro. You, excuse me, is there a vegetarian option?
Perdón, ¿hay una opción vegetariana?
Vendor.
Sí, hay.
You, great, I would like two.
Genial, me gustaría dos.
You, pointing at a jar, what is this?
¿Qué es esto?
Vendor.
Es mermelada de naranja.
You, how much does it cost?
¿Cuánto cuesta esta mermelada?
Vendor.
Cuesta 4 euros.
You, to a friend, can you carry the bag?
Puedes llevar la bolsa.
You, to the cashier, can you print the receipt, please?
Puede imprimir el recibo, por favor.
You, lost, where is the exit?
¿Dónde está la salida?
Culture tip, polite power. Tiny tweak, big impact, choose the right tone. Use informal.
Puedes.
With friends and peers, switch to formal.
Puede.
For waiters, receptionists, or strangers to be respectful. Add, please, for extra kindness.
Por favor.
When it's essential, say what you need.
Necesitar, ayuda.
Clear and courteous. Quick quiz. Answer fast, no pressure, only fun. Q1. How do you ask, where is, in Spanish? A.
¿Dónde está?
Q2. Which phrase gets the price? A.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Q3. What's the polite starter for, I would like? A.
Me gustaría.
Q4. Formal, can you? To a receptionist? A.
Puede.
Q5. The base verb for need. A.
Necesitar.
Challenge. Mix and match. You've got this. Say it out loud with style. Ask if there's a table.
Hay. Una mesa.
Ask permission to try it on.
¿Puedo probarlo?
State a need before a request. I need information.
Necesito. Necesitar. Información.
Ask a friend for help moving.
Puedes mover esta mesa.
Ask a waiter for the check.
¿Puede traer la cuenta, por favor?
Ask what an item is.
¿Qué es esto?
Find the museum.
¿Dónde está el museo?
Get the price of a ticket.
¿Cuánto cuesta el billete?
Order politely.
Me gustaría un café, por favor.
Hasta luego. Nice work, your Spanish just got sharper. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Ay, puedo. Me gustaría. ¿Dónde está? ¿Qué es? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Puedes. Puede.
And
Necesitar.
for more lessons and free resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Hasta la próxima.